Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for coming back to my channel. This is your bonus love reading for February 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. Okay, so I have already uploaded your main reading, okay, your bonus, your main reading, your general reading, your extended general reading, so you can have a look on that. Okay, and a very happy birthday to all my Aquarius who are having birthday. Let me know in the comment section so that I can wish you personally. Okay, and let's see what are the messages, what are the important messages which I need to deliver to you. And let's see. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Help me out to deliver the messages which are important to deliver. Let's see what are the messages. New vision and thunderbolt. Okay, so yes, new vision is coming for you. You need to see a new vision, a situation from a new vision, Aquarius. Okay, so in your main reading also, this was a beautiful message for you, that you need to see a situation from a different perspective, from a higher perspective. And there is a tower moment here again. In your main reading also, there was a tower card 2 times, 3 times. Something is shaking up your life. This is the divine intervention. This is divine, which is, shaking up your life so that you can make the necessary changes which you need to make for your life. Okay, so this is very good, and the tower is always good. Then there is compromise here. Let me see more. Courage. So Aquarius, bottom of the deck, I'm having lovers. So this is the situation for your love life. Okay, maybe you need to compromise right now. Just you need to get more courage for it. There is one advice for you. If follow your intuitions and you know better your situation. I am no one, I am not in your shoes. Okay, so take according to that, but maybe there is some kind of little compromise for which you have to do. Then there is courage. You need to keep your courage with you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having lovers here in your love life. This is your divine counterpart. One more message for Aquarius. I got 3 messages. Okay, there is innocence, letting go, and rebel. Okay, I know you are the rebel with a cause, Aquarius, but see the innocence in everyone. Okay, see the innocence. You need to let go anything in which you think that how this person do this to me. You need to let go that thing. Okay, you are fighting for something with a cause. Okay, you are rebel with a cause, not without a cause. I know that, but you need to let go something in which you need to let go, and let go anything on which you are holding on so tightly, which is not good. You need to see the innocence in each, okay, in each of a soul on this planet Earth. See the innocent one. If someone is approaching you, please see the innocent thing. Okay, we are the world and moment to the moment, so you need to go with the moment to the moment. And there is a world card here. That means you are completing a cycle. Okay, you're completing a cycle here. That was the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. So let's see what are the messages from Mystical Wisdom Oracle deck for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. What are the messages? Give me the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having enlightenment. You getting your enlightenment. Beautiful. Okay. Pursue spiritual growth. You need to pursue your spiritual growth here. Okay. So pursue spiritual growth. There are 2 messages here. Opportunity knocks. Go for it. And Archangel Raphael, provider of healing of mind, body, and soul. Beautiful message. So healing is coming for your mind, body and soul, and there is an opportunity which is coming for you, Aquarius, which is going to knock for you. So go for that. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Death card, just cut the deck and just in your main reading also I was having the death card again and again. So some situation is going to end, whatever situation was there, world card, because you are completing a cycle which you need to complete. Okay, which you need to complete. That cycle is going to complete now, and new beginnings are coming for you, and that's the judgment which is being made by the divine. Okay, what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Wow. Proposal and the unity. So a romantic or a business opportunity is indicated. So see, many of you are getting reconciliation with your divine counterpart. You're getting, reconciliation, a proposal, romantic proposal, a marriage proposal, a commitment from your divine counterpart here. Okay, this is a time of divine understanding, renewal, peace and hope. You radiate and attract great love. Beautiful. So yes, whatever old things were there, that situation is going to end. You are going to receive your commitment basically. Okay, you are going to receive your commitment. This is a time of reconciliation. Use your spiritual messages. Right now you need to keep your patience. So keep your patience, Aquarius. Use your intuitions. Okay, and there is eagle and owl, both are here. Okay, so you will soar towards your destiny with greater clarity and strength, and there are spiritual messages and great wisdom to be found during this period of transmission. Beautiful. Okay, you will get your clarity, you will move in a forward direction beautifully. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let me see what are the messages for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Transformation. Yes, transformation is taking place for you, Aquarius. You are getting transformed. Okay, you need to protect your energy. Okay, set up healthy boundaries around yourself. Take care of yourself as your mother will take care of you, as you are a small baby. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Okay, wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having celebrations. See, I told you that beautiful thing is coming for you. There is a proposal, new beginnings, lost and found. Whatever you have lost and found, there are some new beginnings. There is a celebration which is coming for you, Aquarius. Get ready to let your hair down and celebrate. It's time to go out to the dance and play. An invitation could be on the way for you. Congratulations, celebration. Let's do some kind of celebration time. So this is a celebration time, Aquarius. Okay, with your divine counterpart. Okay, because I told you there is a proposal which is coming for you. There is an invitation. There is a celebration which is coming for you. Many of you are going to get reconciled with your divine counterpart, with your twin flame, with your soulmate, whatever you can call them. Okay, so yes, the first message for you is wait for winter. During the golden months of the fairy queen of winter will help you manifest your most heartfelt wishes, as long as your intentions are the highest good for all. Okay, so I know you all live in a different parts of the world, so I do not know where it is right now summer or where it is right now winter. So but the message is that you need to wait for winter. You will get whatever you are thinking right now, whatever you're manifesting. If it is for the highest good for all, it will manifest for you. Okay, then there is lost and found. What was once lost is about to found, Aquarius. Very important message for you. Okay, what was once lost is about to found. Thanks to the lost and found fairy, sometimes she can help us find things we never even realized were lost. 1001 was the recording reading time. So, whatever you have lost in your life, Aquarius, the lost and found fairy is here to help you out to find out that things which was lost in your life. You will find that things again, lost and found. Beautiful and very powerful message for you. There are new beginnings. This fairy godmother hernets the joyous news of a new baby or a birth of a cherished idea. Protect and nurture your idea as you would be a baby. I told you that right now you have to take care of yourself as you are a newborn baby. Okay, so because you are getting spiritual awakening, you're getting your enlightenment, so you are right now very sensitive. Okay, so take care of yourself, protect your energy, ground yourself, ground your energy. Okay, spend some time with the nature. There are new beginnings which are coming for you, Aquarius. Beautiful. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages. Door to romance is open. Let's see what are the messages from Energy Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? Wow. Wow. Wow, Aquarius. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. There is a victory which is coming for you. Woman holding a heart, yin and yang. Actions, see the chariot energy, the journey, and woman, man holding a heart here. How beautiful it is. 1155 was the recording reading time. The chariot, the new journey of your life is going to start with the love of your life. Here, this is a twin flame, yin and yang, the twin flame, the soulmate, that whatever you can call them. Okay, yin and yang. This is your divine counterpart. A new journey, a new chapter, a new beginning of your life is going to start here. 1221 was the recording reading time. And why I told wow, because here it is cornucopia. This is the best, luckiest, fortunate card, abundance card in this tarot deck, because this is the abundance of everything, abundance of love, abundance of money, abundance of happiness, abundance of everything. Good fortune is coming your way. Cornucopia is here. Then there is 6th chakra, Archangel Metron. There is contract, there is patience. So Aquarius, your third eye is getting activated. As I told you, you have to, owl was there here, so you are having more intuitiveness now before. Okay, so use your intuitions as your third eye is getting open up. Okay, why the brightness is getting low day by day. Okay, and there is a contract which you need to sign up. Either you need to sign up or you are going to start a new contract, because here I'm having the journey, but right now you need to keep your patience. Okay, here there is a new contract, there is a contract which you're going to start. Beautiful, how beautiful it is, but right now you need to keep your patience. Here, woman holding a heart, man holding a heart. This is a power couple here. Okay. Victory, actions, and the journey here. This is the chariot energy moving in a forward direction. You both are moving in a forward direction to start a new chapter, a new journey of your life. Here, their victory is yours. You need to keep your patience right now, Aquarius. Okay. Can you see? And maybe you can see number synchronicities like 1122 here. Can you see? And 1144 here. I'm having 44. So maybe 1144, 1122, 1122, 1144. You can see the number synchronicities also. That can be a possibilities. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much, Energy Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful, beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Grace cards. Okay, let's add one or two cards from the Grace cards. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius all over the world. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Okay. Wow. Ask and devotion. When we call upon divine guidance and support, we will receive a response, Aquarius. Okay, spiritual signposts will put in our path to guide us to the highest good. So maybe you need to ask for the guidance, for the divine guidance, so that divine will send you support and you will receive the spiritual signposts which will help you out to your highest good. So ask for the divine guidance if you think that. Then there is devotion. Stay connected to the divine. Pray, express your gratitude, or ask for help out loud. Make the practice of a devotion a daily habit. Beautiful messages for you. Okay, so stay connected to the divine, Aquarius. You need to stay connected to the divine. Pray and express your gratitude. Say thank you so much, divine. Thank you so much, God, for giving the beautiful things to my life. I'm very thankful, because many of you, Aquarius, you don't know that whatever you are having right now, not everyone can have that. So always feel gratitude for all those things which you are having in your life. Always say thank you so much, God, for giving the beautiful life, for giving the beautiful things to me. Okay, so let's see. Thank you so much, Grace cards, for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages, one or two cards from the native spirits. Okay, so give me one or two cards for Aquarius. Spirit of the air, one more. Okay, I got 3 cards for you. Spirit of the air, tribal spirit dancer, shape shifter. It was like this. Okay. Now let me read it out for you. Spirit of air. Clarity and expansion perception of life is emerging. You are being advised to see life from a higher perspective. Clear out mental clutter. Breathe. All is well. Do not concern. The cobwebs are being cleared away. Communicate your truth. Take care of your details. Pay attention and don't let things slip through the cracks. Take time to hear the truth of others. Spirit is whispering to you. Open your mind to see a situation in a new light. And in your main reading too, the message for you was that you have to see the situation from a higher perspective. Okay, from a different angle, from a different perspective. So that's the message from here also I'm getting for you, is that you need to see the situation from a higher perspective, Aquarius. Then there is shapeshifter. You can be anything you desire. You let go of the attachment to your identity. See the world around you with new eyes. Be memorable. Experiment with different ways of viewing reality. See the point of view of others. If you have not been able to manifest your dreams, maybe you need to shift the way you see the people or the situation. Okay, so shapeshifter is here. Then there is tribal spirit dancer. Let me read it out for you too. Tribal spirit dancer. Let go, say yes to life, be daring, dance to your heart desire, unfurl your wings and fly, Aquarius. Cast aside conventions and restrictions, tune into the rhythm of life, laugh, explore, go beyond your predictable behavior. Sometimes life is messy and chaotic, but that's okay. Leave the dishes, run outside in the sprinkles. So let your spirit be free and do whatever you want to do, Aquarius. Don't be rigid and follow the rules and restrictions. So let go anything on which I told you are holding on, and let your spirit enjoy your world. Okay, so this was the message from this deck. Thank you so much, native spirits, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add one or two cards from the spirit of crystals. Okay, crystal spirits oracle deck. Let's see what are the messages from crystal spirits oracle deck, what they want to tell you. What are the messages? What are the messages for Aquarius? Give me one more card, one more message. Thank you, crystal spirits, for giving the messages. The first message for you is raw morganite. Then there is numite. Okay, numite. I don't know whether I pronounce it right or wrong, but yeah. So this is raw morganite. This is sensitivity, gentleness, empathy, compassion, the gift of vulnerability, and self-forgiveness. Okay, no matter how hard the rock, over time water can alter it, making a path where there is none before. The appearance of this crystal is a sign that this is a time for you to embrace your sensitivity and gentleness. There is no need to be forceful when you can simply be open to what you entitled to receive. Allow yourself to be vulnerable. Okay, Aquarius. As can you see, this crystal spirit is in a raw form. So you can be vulnerable, you can enjoy your life. Do not force yourself. Then there is numerite, achieving self-mastery, inner power, recovering your sense of self. Evidence of progress can seem elusive at times, but when numerite spirit appears, it is a sign that you might be understanding how far you have come. Our minds are conditioned to pay attention to the negative and overlook all that is good in our lives, including the results of our efforts over time. You may not have received a big blue ribbon or parade in your honor, but the conscious universe acknowledges and celebrates all the hard work mastering your fears. Make peace with the part of yourself that tells you that whatever you do, it will never be enough. You are developing mastery, and there will be times when you feel as if your progress is slow and inadequate. But you are called now to acknowledge that you have indeed preserved, learned much, and not given up. Doing so will help you to stay in the course rather than veer off track. Be gentle with yourself, as you are the master of challenges. You always seem to overcome somehow. You are getting better at this time called life, and building healthy relationship and prosperity, and knowing and loving yourself as much as conscious universe does. Give yourself credit and keep practicing. We all are learning, and Numenite Spirit is here to tell you that conscious universe is watching and very proud of you. So they are very proud of you, Aquarius. Keep moving like this only and keep going. So this was the message from the Crystal Spirit Oracle deck. Let's add some healing mantra from this healing mantra deck, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Okay, your bonus love reading. So let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Give me some healing mantra for Aquarius. Amplifying abundance. Abundance is my birthright and I receive it now. So you can say it, Aquarius. You can write it down on a paper that abundance is your right, and you have abundance is your birthright and you receive it now. Then there is illuminating the truth. I'm willing to see things clearly no matter the outcome is. This is the 2 healing mantra. Let's add 3 more. One more. Give me one more healing mantra for Aquarius. Okay. Okay, I got 2. Untangling neglect. I take the time to give myself all the approval I desire. Okay. Then there is dissolving judgments. I do not have to like the actions of others in order to love my journey, and that's very right, Aquarius. You do not need any kind of other approval or other persons to say that I love your journey. No, you do not have others to like the you do not have to like the actions of other people in order to love your own journey. Love your journey, love yourself. Then there is releasing expectations. Only the highest possibilities come to be, whether I'm envision them or not. Okay. Embodying my soul. I have a right to be excited, and that's right, you have a right to be excited. So these are the messages from your healing mantra deck. I hope I help you out in some manner, and this mantra you can use in your healing. Okay, beautiful messages for you. I hope this will help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love and light and happiness to all my Aquarius. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.